Stand in front of your barbell facing it. Hinge at the hips and grab the bar with your palms facing away from you. Deadlift the weight to your hips with good form. Inhale, flex your lats and glutes to prepare the body for effort. Exhale while hinging at your hips and bending your knees to achieve a strong starting position with your head and chest up. Keep your core and legs engaged while you inhale and pull the barbell up to your torso, driving your elbows up and shoulder blades down and back. Keep your core strong during the movement. Exhale as you return the bar to your starting position and repeat with good form through programmed repetitions. The barbell row is an excellent exercise to get your lats and your trapezius muscles working together well when all you have to work with is a barbell. I've got a barbell and gravity. Let's get after it. During the barbell row, it's so important to have a very solid stance and strong posture so that the right muscles are working and you're not hurting your lower back. Notice how Katie's starting in a deadlifted position where she's nice and strong with her palms facing forward. She's gonna flex her lats and then she's gonna lower her body nice and strong all the way down until she's almost parallel to the ground, and then from there she can pull. Go ahead and drive those elbows up, very good, and I can see from here she's doing a great job squeezing her shoulder blades together and keeping those lats engaged. Excellent job, Katie.